make we wait, make the girl enter. You understand? Make we wait small, make the girl join us. The owner of that shop where Lovett was captured, you understand? The owner of that shop where they captured the Lovett, Ibon Atabacha. The owner want to join us live so that she will narrate what really happened that very good day. You know, a lot of people that accuse the girl say, that shop kind of way me arrange. No, that shop can them kind of way me arrange. Brother Sukwana from Mad through Amakodo, through Amakodo. So the girl want to join us. Let's hear from her. Whether if true say the Reverend Father there is a me. Adam Rosemary, good afternoon, my dear. How you did? So make the girl join us. Make the girl join us so that we go know I'm not supporting anybody. I was not there when the incident happened. I was not there with them. I was in Abakaliki here and the thing happened in Enugu State. So make our sister join us first. Then she go use her mouth talk what happened that day. Person will get that shop where our sister Lovett will give a fake testimony. Say she buy 500 million house. You understand? Men accept here. Send the request and now Cynthia send the request. I sent you request, so accept. When will be a big issue mother there? If you are there, my sister, okay.
Adamma, good morning.
Hey, I'm not to hear you.
Adamma, good morning.
Facebook don't come.
Can you hear me now?
I dey hear you, but now small.
Okay, I'm talking.
Yeah.
Can you hear me now?
Let me collect. Let me find my Bluetooth. Because if una dey hear her and una dey hear me, make na talk abeg. If you guys are hearing her and you guys are also hearing me, then let me know. It's like you're using. Let me bring the airport too. Put on. Let me put on. You don't hear me now, my sister?
Yes, I can hear you.
I hear you well, loud and clear. So how are you?
I'm good.
You know better I know it's more.
Oh, PM better. Why you where you go the robi?
Everybody, I'm like it for outside. You will that camera. You go to the model that Almaco. Just show them the Almaco. They cheer. Finish. And the matter for that place. Just hear half of my. Then they come in.
Okay.
Don't cut it. Don't cut it. Just show them.
Let them see.
Okay, no problem. Let me do that. I'm going outside now.
Go see how the place.
Okay. This is the place. Here.
Okay.
Here now.
Okay. Okay. No,
Here.
come on. That day. Okay. Okay.
Here.
Okay.
This is how the place is.
Okay.
So this in front of the place they are stand and did that thing that day.
What about the
See,
camera around? Just Buhari go the camera around. Buhari go the around. Okay. Okay. Then
yeah.
the Reverend Father. Maybe the Reverend Father of that day open you.
The Reverend Father now across the road. Let me turn.
Okay. Okay.
Have
Okay.
you seen it?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Have you seen it now?
Yes. I forgot me.
Because this road is a double road.
Double line.
The road is a double road. It is a double lane. See they across the road. That is where the Reverend Father is. They are thinking that the Reverend Father is here. Let me come back to that position now of that glass. Then you will be seeing. Have you seen it?
Yes. Yes.
Can
The
you
shadow.
see?
Yes. I'm seeing car parked outside the other side of the road. Yes.
Oh,
Mm.
so
I don't see. What that plastic chair? Only one plastic chair on that day. Any man
which year?
confirm. Plastic chair. Only one plastic chair on that day. One plastic chair. Only one plastic chair. Elevate in a car abacha before Kilizio for that day.
You said it is not chair. It is not black chair. Oh, that chair is blue.
No,
Green and
I
blue.
said plastic chair.
This is the plastic chair
Uh,
now.
oh, okay.
Plastic chair is always in my shop. I keep it for the front of shop in case if anybody come, the person cannot follow me go inside my shop. The person
I
will
agree.
sit outside. This chair is two. I double the chair. Look at it. It is
Okay.
two.
Okay.
So
Okay.
this is how
Going.
the chair is that day.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not. Going now. I'm going.
Uh-huh.
So I beg, maybe that they like this video. When they report the video, I beg. Maybe that they like this video. You know, so some people know they are happy say they talk this in here. Even though we are not lying against anybody, we are not fabricating any story here. We are not insulting anybody here. You understand me? So the people are reporting this live broadcast. I don't know why they are reporting the live broadcast. But Gucci, the reason why I carry this thing for head be say I don't like faith. If you don't know, I don't like faith. I'm not against anybody going to church, my dear brothers and sisters, but I don't like faith. And as I'm sitting down here, I not tell you say our brother arranged the thing. Me sit down here wey be about his son. I no tell you say na our brother Peter Afancha na him arrange the thing. I no tell you that one. But only our sister here want to tell us one or two things because police come arrest this girl wey dey here because na her shop wey that people come make video. So for you to say about his son wetin I dey do for this video wey I dey do, my dear, I no like faith. I'm a true son of my father. Anyway wey I begin to condemn, wey I begin to support evil, na can leave okumu. Anything if I no dey put her hand, anything mago. Look at Nigeria, look at Africa. They go down Igbo today. None of all the prophets in Nigeria wey fit see better president, wey fit see better governor. If election dey come now, none of them fit see say this governor na better person or this president go be bad person. None of them dey see road. Go to hospital, you go see people wey dey sick there. Go to street, you go see people wey dey sick. Go to junction now, you go see people wey dey sick. They no fit go dey go do miracle. And now agbagi brilliant Wanyama go ahead. What really happen? Take it to make arrest that Wanyama. Just give us the story. And how did you know Lovett? Some people now, abroad Lovett, now people will leave. How did you know her first? No verse.
Okay. First of all, now there is broadcast the interview that people did
Uh,
to me before.
if they talk, no call Zion, no call Ebuko be more Zion. No.
No,
I beg.
nothing concerning with that
Oh,
people. Nothing
okay,
concerning.
okay,
Not, I
okay,
just want
okay,
to say for my own part for
okay,
of life. So I
okay,
don't have any business with them.
okay.
So
Thank you.
that's this thing now that I want to say. That's why I say let us do this thing in live video like this so that people will be seeing my face. Even if that video that I did yesterday is not enough for them, I will still go live so that they will be seeing me because there is another broadcast that someone we made that last week, but just that it is night. They can't see my face. They can't see my face, but people are seeing their own face, and that is not good. It is not supposed to be like that. But the guy that made that thing, I was telling him that leave this thing till tomorrow morning so that people can see my face and see who that is talking. He said there is no problem. That he will tag me. Once they hear my voice, they know that I am the one that's saying. I said no. People may think that this thing is just
Arrange.
something we are applying in our range. I say okay, since you say you will do it like this, there is no problem. But I'm so happy because Army America still carry the video go viral. Everybody say this the girl that owns the shop. The girl has come out now to
Make
explain why.
me like this video. Then they report the video. You guys should like the video. Then they report this video. Like the video. Then they report the video.
Okay. So what I want to say now is how I've been arrested about that Helen matter. I know her as Helen. I don't know her as Lovett. It's true all this thing that is going on now, all this talk that is going on that I started hearing that her name is Lovett. But what I know her is Helen. And that is Helen Alo. Alo, I've been Aloma, I don't know. But Alom, that's her real name, Helen. If
Okay.
Lovett is for her second name, I don't know. Like me now, as my name is Cynic, I just decided to add Cynic Cynthia because that Cynic is my surname. I matched it together. So I will not doubt that her name is not Lovett. But all I know, the one that I take now that I will say, Helen. So okay. So my what I want to talk about how I've been arrested, about her case. Okay, that thing happens on Saturday, being last week Saturday. Before I will talk about the video, before these guys come and video us and take the video to internet, the video started trending, going all over the world. Okay, that Saturday I was in my shop. There is one woman that's selling moi moi, and the one man again sits with me. I have showed you guys the two sit out chair, plastic chair that I kept outside. I know why I kept that two plastic chair. In case if there is anybody that comes to my shop and they want to sit down and take soft drink, anything, I'm not selling alcohol, then you can sit there, I will give you. Then, my dear, that's how it happened. I was in my shop that Saturday. That Saturday, I was in my shop early in the morning, something by 11 or 12. Now, all of a sudden, one red car just drive, come and park. As they park, they stand there like they are inside that car. Stay there like more than 15 minutes, getting to 2 minutes. Me, I was like, who is all these people? Is it that they don't want to buy something? But how come they just drive come and park their car in front of my shop? They don't want me to say today. I say okay. The woman say maybe they want to buy something or maybe they are inside their car doing call. I say no problem. We are say relax. We sit, they talk. I dey eat my momo you. Now I eat. These people stand there till the moi that I bought from that woman. I finish eating the moi. For me to go and throw the trash the of the moi. Then one guy, they open the door, they come out, started following me for back. I think say na customers na true, they want to buy something. I go sit down in front of my shop with those people. The man come say, are you Cynthia? I say yes. This your shop? I say yes. They say okay. They say there is a case that investigating, that case, and among of the investigation, they see me in that investigation. It is me and with some people and some lady like that. I say, I just confused. I say, what case is like that, sir? I don't know. I don't understand about the case that you people are talking about. You people should let me know if there is any crime that I have committed. You people should tell me, I beg, please. They say yes. There is case investigation. I say, what is the name of the case investigation? You people should talk now. And you people is just coming and talking investigation that not have any name or meaning. They say it is a child traffic. It is a child traffic. The investigation they are doing about the child traffic, I am the one that see there. Then police now coming to arrest me to come and explain for police station how it happens. I say, Jesus Christ. My body started shaking because that was my first day to hear that sort of English in my life. I never hear that sort of English. I say, the woman that selling more just want to talk. I say, auntie, hold on, please. It is me they are looking for. Let me talk first. I go ask the man, say, Oga, please. You said, I hear you say child traffic. Let me use my own small knowledge to know whether I can say something about this thing that this man talk. You say child traffic, that means say I don't dey kidnap children or person pikin. I don't understand. The man say yes. It is when I reach the office that I will explain to police people for office. I say okay, no problem. The woman say I will demand, no be small case. So as in I was like, all my body started hurting me. I said, blood of Jesus Christ, God, please save me, save me. They say I should enter car. I entered car, carry my phone, follow them. We drive towards the expressway as we are going. I just picked my phone up like this, started pressing my phone. They asked me, what are you pressing on your phone? That I should give them my phone. I say, okay, no problem. I carry my phone, give to them. Then I'm saying, okay, they want to hear from me. That case that I'm talking about. They now brought video of this Helene.
Lovette.
This Helene.
Lovette.
I don't know.
Lovette.
To call her that Lovette because I don't know her as Helen. Now Helen, why they call her? To call her that Lovette, they did somehow from my mouth. I know they agree call her that Lovette.
She go claim privilege wey no be own.
Okay. They carry this something like this. Show me. Because this is the first guy that posted this thing that I see as I open my this thing. Yes. They carry it like this, show me, and played it. Play the video like this. Play, say, do I know this person? I said yes. They say, is it not my shop? I said it is. They say, okay. So the case they are investigating is about this lady. Do I know anything about this lady? I say no, I don't know anything about her. She's only my neighbor. She just went to my shop to buy something. After she come back from Kitty Market, where she go to sell her market, she rented a shop here. I don't know her, please. The man say, will you shut up your mouth? Keep quiet. Which one that you don't know her, but she's in your shop. And this video now, these people made, you are inside the video, and you and the girl was standing and talking and hugging each other. Why are you saying that you don't know her? I said, okay, no problem. I will explain. The only thing I can explain for this girl is from January that I know this girl. I don't know this girl before. This girl, caretaker connected me with this girl. So as time goes on, I started seeing or hearing caretaker say she rented a shop, empty space. I say, okay, we can't be neighbor. Every time that she finish from Punkity, she will carry her things at times, come and park inside the compound. Okay. Then when she finish, we come my shop, come and stay and drink and do. We just gist normal. She will
Ọ na-ere ọkpa bra ka ọ na-ere ka ọgịnị ka ọ butik ka ife ọ na-ere.
ihe ọ na-ere akwa, ọ na-ere akwa re, ọ na-ere akwa. Ọ bụrụ sọsọ
Ọ na-ere
bra. It is not only panta.
ọ na-ere akwa ọ na-erekwa pant and bra.
Yes, she's
Okay.
selling panta.
Okay.
Because people want to hear say na panta bra where she's selling. Yes,
Okay.
she's selling panta and bra.
Okay.
So that people mind will calm down. She's selling panta and bra. Okay. So in that case, after that week, that caretaker told me that thing. Say she's our neighbor. I don't begin the hear story from that same caretaker say
When they
my
report
neighbor is
our life, so make that they like Parara make news. How you dey, boss man? Make that they like this thing. Then they report am abeg.
my neighbor, my friend is trending. My friend is trending that she bought a house. I say caretaker, I don't want, just don't tell me anything about this girl, because this girl now carry my money dey Lagos. The thing why I send her money to buy for me, she dey change am for me there. Anything why this girl say na 10,000 where they sell am for Lagos, as he reach there, he go tell me say that is na 20,000 naira. I can't.
Five blow. He say the girl will go Lagos because he dey go prayer. Don't make sure the church o. So as she go prayer for Lagos, so money wey you give her make you buy something for you, abi?
Yes.
So
As she reach Lagos, I transfer her money. Some things that I transfer her money to buy for me in the
when she dey come back. When she dey come back.
Yes, when she dey come back. Now she reach Lagos, come change am for me. Say that thing no be that price where they sell am, where they are now selling am. That the thing is even expensive in that Lagos than Enugu here. I started telling people, say, which kind of human being is this? I know how much I transfer to this girl. Hadn't be I use this money now, go market by myself. I still live am for my business, then manage myself. Which kind of thing be this one? You go call Levet, Helen Levet today. He no go pick. Call him tomorrow. He no go pick. Chat on WhatsApp. No respond. Now so I do. Till one day, I got text her message. Say, please, madam, if you are not buying the things that I send you money to buy for me, send me back my money. I don't like it. I will change it for you. Send me back my money. Send me back. I send that message to her on WhatsApp. I send it to a normal message, so that anywhere that she enter, may she see am. I still give her voice notes. Night tomorrow morning, he can call me, say, Cynthia, don't worry, please. I will try my best to know the one that I will buy for you. I have bought some, but some I have not bought some. I'm going to market next tomorrow. If I go, I will call you. If the thing is still high price, you will still transfer me another. I said I don't want to buy again. If there is anyone that you have bought, I beg, keep it and bring back my balance, return my balance of the money for me. I don't need again. Don't buy for me. Till last 2 weeks, before last week, this thing started happening. This girl now come back. As she came back, I call her. She come. The thing why I send her money is more than something like 8 pieces of items of something, or 9 or 10. But this girl just bought only 2 or 3 things for me. I look at it, I say, God, I don't enter. I say, I don't enter.
Which means the girl na their member. I know make means the girl na their member.
For, is it for the
No, which means
church?
the church, no make church name, which means the girl go their church.
Yes, now the girl na member now.
Okay.
Even there is a link that she sent to me. When the time that I knew her very well, I knew her new. There is a link that she sent to me saying a Ebukobi link, that I should click on that link If I click on that link, I
Wait,
started
wait.
seeing
Not call him say one baby virgin, one baby
okay.
virgin. No, they call
Okay,
him
you
say
know
one
that
baby.
that's why I say I don't want to go for
No,
that
no, no, no,
outside because
no. Wait. If you want to talk, if you say Evuka, no, they call the name well. Or one baby. Or Officer Rapancha, no just call Ebuka name, Ebuka Obi, no. Say Officer Rapancha or Ebuka or one baby virgin.
but it's
Mm-hmm.
not leave it
No,
alone.
no, no,
Let
no,
me say
no, 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 no. If you don't talk about people no go gree. So no dey mention both Zion, Ebuka Obi, no make just say one baby virgin or Officer Rapancha or Ebuka.
in
People don't
short,
understand.
I don't want to talk. Let it not be like I'm trying to insult man
No,
of God. I'm trying to
no, no,
talk
no, no,
as
no,
for
no,
what
no,
I
no.
know.
You have not
Please,
insulted anybody here.
because
You only
this
trying
is
to narrate.
public. My son, this is public. You may
You
not
have
know.
not insulted. You have not insulted anybody. I know how the thing works. It's only when you maybe say Matthias says that is a thief or is a bandit. You don't insult anybody. But when you talk something, when you say you know, don't insult anybody. If they want to arrest you, they will also arrest you if you don't know. I beg, I don't want you to be mentioning. I just that is it so that it will be normal. Just she come dey send you a link where you go watch of Kerapan Chabi. Start from there.
Yes. But
Mm-hmm.
the link, I click on the link, click. The link is not working.
Okay.
I try. The link is not working. I say I beg. May I relax my mind. May this girl not come dey give me headache. I say I beg. This thing no dey work, babe. Just make we forget about it. Na so we dey till all this matter, all this story come start for me lead to police, for leading me to police station or that I don't know anything about it. But my anger in this case, na we no call it case. My anger in this story, police station that arrested this girl, na dem people suppose to go and meet. They ask query or to ask everything, how things take happened, how they take arrested the girl and capture her for where she is. But people refuse to do that, and the police people supposed to do their work. As this girl already have offense, as they are looking for her, they're supposed to carry camera, even their phone, anywhere they see her, they will start videoing her, telling, as they see that video of her don dey go internet all over the world, they will be showing people, this is where we catch this girl, oh, this is how it happened, this is how it is, so that the world will see it and know how to put mouth on it. They just want to do it secretly and put it on the head of people that is innocent. Like all these things now, if not that I'm trying to defend myself, this thing now will later land on my head. You see it? So, as they arrested me, say that it is a child traffic. That is the allegation on me now. Is it good?
Yes. Okay.
That is the
Let
allegation.
okay, make I understand you. Police people come to your shop, come grab you, say you get case wey be say na child trafficking, say you dey involved. Abi?
Yes.
Then they come carry you comot. As you enter motor comot, then inside motor they come dey show you say na because of this girl they come arrest you, abi?
Yes.
And that time wey dem come your shop, they no talk say na because of Lovett fake
They
testimony.
not talk anything about love birth.
Una as you don enter a child
They not talk.
trafficking.
They did not talk about anything house. Even when I reached to that police station, they did
Uh,
not say anything about house. That
okay.
love it. The only thing they're saying is
Child
child
trafficking.
traffic, child traffic. That there
Okay.
is a case that me and one lady that is involved.
Right.
Okay, that
And they see am.
is one case that me and one lady that doing the business involved for
Like
child traffic. They
they see
now
am.
pick me, reach police station. Now I reach police station. I come see people wey full there. They come dey speak one language, come dey talk. You understand? Something wey people dey talk, you no understand wetin dey talk. They come dey discuss to each other, come dey both army people and the police people. This one go call himself, this one. They come dey face me. They try as in to ginger me. I go tell them say, Oga, I don't know anything about this girl.
Okay. How they come take tell you say how they later come tell you say na because of Lovett go lie somewhere. How they when they which time when they come tell you you sleep that place abi you come out that day no vex.
I come out that day. I come out.
Okay.
I come out that day, but how it take happen as I come out that day, as we are in the process talking that thing, I now told them, say, if you guys know that this Helen that you guys can see her, if you people are looking for her, this is what will happen.
Wait,
We have to
they
return
don't
back.
wait. They don't already tell you say you go do fake. Abi they see the say na child trafficking.
They tell me say na child trafficking.
Hey,
They never mention anything. They never mention anything house.
hey,
They never mention anything house.
hey,
They say na child trafficking. Not that it is me and Helen that is doing the business.
hey.
It's when I come back for police station the following day or in the night, I go to Facebook, start seeing something that is around. Even as I watch this video, I come dey look at it, say, is it because of this house they are talking about, they arrested her, or because of the child trafficking they are talking about? I still they think say till people come begin dey call me, started calling me, people that is around, say, Cynthia, they see you online with your shop, what is going on? They say you are in. I was in the police station that day, my phone is ringing, but these people said if I pick call, I should not tell anybody that I'm in police station.
Jesus.
I should not let anybody to know that I'm in police station, because the first call that entered my phone that day, it was my sister. My sister called me, say, sister, where are you? I said that. They say, don't talk. The policeman say, tell her that you are in your shop. Don't tell her that you are in a police station. I say, okay, because me, I'm doing everything. They're all men, so that they will not beat me now. Because if these people beat me then, who will be my witness? And then my sister say, I'm in shop now. Shop is open. She say, okay, no problem. My brother come call me, say, where are you? I say, I dey shop. You people should come to shop. I dey shop. Then another numbers wey no get name come begin dey call me. They will ask me, who is this person that is calling you? I say, I don't know. They say, okay. The call will ring, finish, and cut. See the man. I will still show the man that followed that they come and pick me. This man call himself lawyer. The same time, police. I will still show his face here now.
Ojobo work. They can't do Ojobo work.
Okay. I will still show the man face here. So as time goes on, I told them, say, okay, see what will happen. You people should take me back to my shop. Let me be in my shop so that I can make call on that Helen to know whether Helen go fit come my shop. They say no. They started chatting Helen. Hi babe, where are you? Helen say now reply to them, say she's in house, that she will come to my shop later, that she's trying to go and fill her gas, that her gas finished. I'm not the one that chatting with Helen. No, it is police people that use my phone doing all these things. No, it is police people using my phone chatting Helen. Even up since that date now, I never chat Helen up till now again.
Okay.
I think that they are chatting on pending on my phone. So as they come, they chat Helen. Helen says she wants to go and fill her gas. That after filling that gas, that she will come to my shop. I say, okay, no problem. I ask her, or they ask her, what time are you going to come? She said something, just some minutes. I now told them and say, see this girl that told you people that she's going to come something by some minutes. It will take like 3 hours or 4 hours before she will come to my shop. May una no mind her. This girl na one kind human being. I don study her well. They say, okay, no problem. I come dey tell them, let them carry me go to my shop. When we reach my shop, we go start to dey chat her, dey call her to know whether she will come fast. They come say to put her number for track, make we come dey track her. They say that tracker dey take time at times before it will respond, and it depends the location of the person and the network. They say, toh, they now carry me come back. They hang. As they reach my shop, two of the police people hang. Then one follow me enter my shop, sit inside. Then that police guy, I come dey ask him. See, please, but is there anything you can tell me about this Helen? This guy say this Helen matter no be here. That you get one child, like three pikin that they look for, and then I hand way in the Jesus. My chest come dey hit me. I say, God, I don suffer. Who send me? Who send me? Na so my life go take go. I say, see me o. As they come, the guy come dey tell me that he say this girl have a very bad story, different story, roaming about her. I say, okay, no problem. Now today now, I go see the head today. Now we dey one guy wey I know come meet me, carry him phone, say, Cynthia, what are you doing on internet? See your video, see your this thing. Now one comment why I comment. If you see people with like now and they comment, they don't pass 100 o. I see Jesus. I can't do head like this. I say, my dear, I don't know. Can you remember that girl where they say, you get one girl wey sit down for my shop one day, where they say clothes. Na she o. Na she. I don't know wetin she dey do wey people come video am for my shop like this, come carry the video of my shop, come dey go viral like this. Na im cause am o. Because that police people, they say I should not tell anybody anything that happen around. Anybody wey come meet me, they go say I should not allow anybody to stay here, so that if she come, it's like the girl don't know say they dey track am, but then they trace am. If she come, may not see anybody, come dey fear, think say na police or something like that. Me, I don't know. We just dey talk, dey wait. Now we don't stay more than 1 hour, getting to 2 hours. Me and that police people from inside my shop. I come dey reason. Me and that guy, I say, wetin we go do now? My call that Helen, so that she go rush fast. In whatever she's doing, me she rush fast. Come. The guy say he himself don't even know wetin he go talk sef. He don't know even wetin he go do. You don't even know the message wey he go send am. I come call am say, guy, come. You get one business wey me and that Helen dey do. See wetin go happen. I go call Helen now say you get one market wey I sell, why person come buy something that worth like 80,000 or 100,000. May him come collect the money, go bring something for me. Na so I do am. Helen see offline. You cannot chat her on WhatsApp again. She's not online again. I come dey tell that girl, say, you sure say this girl never run? He come dey tell me say, dey pray make she not run o. If she run, na problem. Then no be say na police station, na stay CID. Na stay CID. Hey, I don't know where it stay CID now. I dey hear am for here, but I don't even know where it is for this area. I don't know. People know me very well for this place where I dey. I no be trouble person. I know they go anyhow.
Come back.
They
The girl come from.
they can't be like, what is going on? What is going on? My dear, now as we just dey talk, dey wait. I can't see something from down for my shop with. You see that red biker knicker wey she wear? Is it red or orange that she wear with that shirt and with that hair tie wey she put for her neck? Now so she come to my shop that day. See, I will still show you guys, because the evidence of this girl never have evidence. That is things that she dropped for my shop, that she carry come to my shop that day, that she want to reveal to somebody. Even the gas that she's going to fill is still on my shop. I will not show it in this video, because people that are waiting to hear something about Haley in the fight, may una person where una know say in hair no correct, una wan carry am come join people wey they are innocent, they put head together. That one concern una, e no concern me. So as Helen come, the policeman come say, come do like this, shebi na she. I say yes. Come land. They say, madam, as they come meet am, enter, come meet, just go direct. And me and that guy talk, will say, if Helen come, I will follow them, go back to police station, go and make statements. Even that Helen we make, say, I don't know Helen. And the Helen business of child traffic, I don't know anything about it. And the Helen, we tell police people, we tell people in public that she don't know me. If she know me, she have to say it in public, in front of that people. As immediately that other guy start my shop, ask her, madam, are you the Lovett or Helen that talking about? She say, yes, I'm the Helen. Then now the guy tell and say, you're under arrest from police station, this and that. She say, eh? Her hand, all her body begin to shake. She begin, I can't say, me, I can't pretend, do as if I don't know what is going on. Because I'm trying to save my life for what I don't know. That's what I'm trying to do. I can't say, okay. Oh yeah, well, we follow una now. Let's go. They open door. The way bill where she carry and the gas. The girl say, make she drop am here. They say, make she carry am, they go office. He say, no, how na this na person get am, na person money. So they make say, since I beg, help me keep this thing inside. When I comes back, I will come and carry it. I say, okay, no problem. So now I say, oh yeah, now let's go together. But we are going together now. How they will come and pick you from my shop like this? They will not allow me to follow you. Okay, oh yeah, now let's go. Enter car. The driver enter. This guy, let me show the guy face now. See this particular man. See this particular man. I will still do his own video. Time is coming, the time that I will do his own video. I will still do this man own video. Me for my shop. See the man.
Okay. Okay.
See the man.
Okay.
See the man. Shebi you people dey see am well. Na video wey I do after I go to police station. That man. Na that man. This video wey I did. If you people dey follow for my page, we go down see the video that I have make about this thing. I'm trying to make people, if to say I be somebody like all this celebrity, but thank God now I don't come be the celebrity. They don't drag me come online now. Now we go die here. We go die here. It's this thing. See this video. Immediately I see this video, I pick the video, share them. I say this will be my own evidence. I say I can't talk for this video. Say no be that the same house where they talk say Helen carry go girl. No be that the same with this lady. They do advertisement. They talk say the house still on rent, the house still for sale. And then no be this the same man come to my shop, come and pick me. No be them come accuse me for child traffic. Hey, I be like, I do many videos. Even I go live, come they shout, they para for that video. Say, see, this man, well, the same business. Because that house where still people still they talk about it now. Now you see, you never reach like 2 days a day where this thing happen. When I go the same that house, go they do video, say the house still on rent, the house is still on sale, this and this and that. I say, you people are the same business. Una do am finish. Una go hide. When they look for somebody where una go carry and put for head, make the person carry wetin una no know. When they tell them thunder go punish una. Wetin why I no know no go know me. Now they pursue me for that cow. Say I should not follow them. Come to police station. Madam, they your shop, they do your business. If you want your own trans, we will not see you there. We should not see you for police station. I see Jesus. These people come stand me here like a dummy. Come make me to be a learned human being. It's Jesus Christ. Hey. Now, I can't come inside. I can't come inside. Come sit down. I sit down like.
Lovette, don't come out.
No, don't worry. I'm still coming about Lovette. I can't sit down. Come they think. Now I can't call people. That people come. They come to me. Say, Cynthia, what happened? Cynthia, what happened? I can't they tell. Now so as you people dey see am, na so me I dey see am, because police people come pick me here say na child traffic. I don't know that it is about this girl that normally sometimes come to my shop to stay. She rented a shop here. So what is going on? I didn't mean that this people video here so that the world can see it and see what is going on, because this kind of thing now, they use am now, they put somebody in trouble. Is it how things supposed to be? They say I should not mind them. Now so people they do. Now so Nigeria system there. But this Nigeria system, una need government, una need to work on it. Any story like this, where una no say, where una no go feel arrange well. May una no they bring am come online. May people come they drag themselves, they die on it. If to say they do this well, all these things cannot be happening like this.
Yeah.
I'm hearing you.
Okay. Come on, to the mayor now. Now, Lovette, I will go to police detention, Abi.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Oputago or Oputabe?
Oputabe.
Okay, no there.
Yes. Lovette
okay,
called me.
Okay.
Lovette called me day before yesterday.
Uh-huh.
This girl do is not an offense, but I don't want to go there. Say it's not an offense.
No talk what you know. Just gonna call you. What the guy call you? What did she tell you?
Lovette call me. Lovette is in police station. Call me. Say Cynthia, she need my help. She really need my help. Is there anyone I know, a man that I can call to come and help her out, to sign her for for release,
for her to come out?
For her to come out? I can't think about it. I say, you sure say this girl know they try to set me up. I say, oh, God, might think about it too. I no fit put myself for trouble. I can't tell people where they around. They talk say that maybe time don't reach. Maybe the case don't. They don't solve the case. Maybe they need shorty for her to come out. Maybe now waiting where she wants. I can't ask that to say she no get brother. She no get anybody wey go come help her. Now she go they snap picture, they do anyhow. My hand no dey there. I can't the reason. Okay. I can't the reason say.
A summary of everything they say. Now through you, they arrest Lovette, and Lovette is still there for police station. They never bail her out. Abi?
Yes.
And since that time, police never come here shop, come disturb you, Abi?
They never come disturb me again.
And they never call you phone. Police people never call you. Police people never call you for phone now.
No,
so make you come.
No.
Okay, now no better. So that's the reverend father wey wear white. Wey people say Amakodo. You fit tell us wetin make that glass, how that reverend father take dey for that, because people say na Reji, so that reverend father wey wear cloth there wey dey for that glass dey see am Amakodo. It's not by coincidence. It's not. So you fit tell us wetin happen, no vex. Just go straight to the point for that reverend father make people understand wetin really happen. But people talk say na person wey.
Let me go straight to the point. That reverend for mechanic wey dey there, and they this tinted glass why I put.
Wait, the Reverend Father dey do mechanic.
No, he come to work his car. He carry
Okay,
the
okay,
Reverend Father.
okay.
If you see how the man bend for
Yeah.
car like this. He's working car with this my shop now. Everything concern that mechanic.
So
You
we
go
shoot
dey see am.
for glass.
Yes,
Okay.
he go dey reflect the glass. You will be seeing
Okay.
it all. Even people, how people drive enter there, how people drive comes out. Any car where they park for outside, close to, you will be seeing it because that glass is wide now and it is tinted. It's just like a mirror.
Okay.
So now, as that video they did that day, you know, say if you stand now, they do something, they do video now. That video, everything
Yeah.
about that glass and the dark close. The phone they capture am because I they stay there, they do video at times me. Even that Reverend Father, I don't even know the man self. People
Which means which means nothing concern the Reverend Father there.
nothing concern Reverend Father there. Nothing concern Reverend Father with and mechanic with my shop way there across the road. All
Okay,
these people where they talk this thing, may una rest. Una own done too much.
okay, no bad. Now be say Helen go another church for Lagos, go claim property wey be another person own, make she sign abi. She go claim another person property abi.
Who go give am paper to sign?
No, what I mean be say which means Helen God go claim another person property wey no be her own.
Uh,
You dey hear me?
I'm hearing you.
Okay, I say which means Helen go Lagos, go claim another person property abi.
Helen they go Lagos, they go they do testimonial. That one na im own business. I don't know.
Okay,
I
okay,
don't know
because
about it because
wetin I
I
dey
have
talk
not
be
been
say
there before. I
okay,
know they go the church.
okay, okay, wetin I mean be say wetin I dey talk be say since no be say the Reverend Father nothing concern the Reverend Father there, e mean her two leg travel from Enugu go Lagos go dey claim another person property now.
Now that's what it is now. That's how people seen it.
Okay, okay. Now you know say some people dey complain say say na your shop wey the state do organize arrange they want to blackmail our brother wan be virgin see amakodo they see where everybody of amakodo. Me for my own understanding they leave the travel from Enugu here dey go Lagos reach Lagos go Abra church go claim another person property wey no be own. Now see where me I get problem for people wey dey elected our virgin fit no know anything concerning prophet or release he no know anything but the only place wey we dey vex be say as our brother be of Sharafanta he suppose see say this girl wey come here no be her get that prophecy na another person get am na wey we dey vex for him be that day as a man of God.
You know, say
uh,
Ebony son,
uh,
please, can I talk? Can I say something?
yes.
You know, say all this video, because I dey be online for hours. All this video where you see like that. I even watch that man. I don't know whether na him brother or waiting. I see the man, I don't want talk. Because the thing won't draw my attention to talk the fight. That one concern them. Now the one that draw my attention is when they mention that Reverend Father name. You get one guy wey posted that video. If you people
Uh,
check for my
yes.
comment in that video where they call the person, they call the boy small goat when no girl sense. Why ain't go they say Reverend Father if they mad in the craze? Okay. Where like they no get glass for their house. You they hear me?
Yes.
Like they no get house, they no dey live for house wey get glass, wey get tinted glass. So if you no get house wey dey use tinted glass, go and buy am now put for your house, so that you will understand the meaning of what happened that day. House glass or any car that is tinted. So go and buy tinted car, or if you have car, you are driving it without tinted, go and put tinted, so that you will understand that video. And they put tinted door for your door, so that you will also understand the video. I don't want anybody on this online that will say, Helen, this is Helen shop, this is Helen shop, this is. I said that I will still talk more story about that Helen. I will still do the video and post it on my own page. I will still, you see this thing we started. We will see the head, because I dare my day. Oh, I dare my. Now this one where they talk say in younger day they sleep, trouble go wake up.
Come with them.
Trouble come wake up. Had it been now, these people who did this video, they respected themselves. Follow the Helen in the time when Helen enter inside. Or the man kitty where cloud full, where women they do their hair. You go see now how this thing, how they go take arrange and well. Because where they see the people that did this video, they no get sense. How they come why they come do the video there? No, someone should answer this question. Someone should do you get?
Yes.
Because at times, if do something like this, we just be doing something anyhow we like, to our own test, not knowing or think to know whether this thing have any repercussion. So that is it. This is the repercussion now. Because I didn't be now, they didn't do this video here. They did it inside the compound or any. Here now over 9 years to 10 years.
Hello.
So nobody can just come here innocent and I know what I suffered over this place to beat this shop. Even if there is no something inside the shop, they break my shop 2 years ago. Pack all the wines, everything I'm selling, make the shop empty. See the counter everywhere is empty. I'm still inside the shop, be managing. So I don't want any nonsense coming around over my shop again. Because if anybody mistakenly dare me this time around, I will come in public and say it. Enough is enough.
You go calm down. No, you see, say people where they deal with. Now people will be say they get sense. Calm down. Relax. Type low. People where they deal with. Now people will be say they get sense well. So you relax your mind. Don't involve yourself in a place where be say they fit even come in the night, come and pick you and deal with you. These people don't like make anything stain them at all. Just know that.
My anger, why did those guys come to my shop, come and do video? Why? They know that they're going to give it to bloggers to carry it to Ghana. Where did they come and do it in my shop?
No, let me.
People may be talking here now. People may be talking here now. Say it is even at my own arrangements that the make the people come and do the somehow.
I know. Now what they say is that we will understand because this is a social media. Somebody may go talk something somewhere. I see the pass now. Me know the about I go say, see that person here. I go do video because I don't need to give it to anybody. Another people will carry the video. Now so life be. So the people who video that of that, they don't give them any. They just post them for TikTok, and other people carry them. And you know, start claim this something. Somebody go claim prophets when they be own. And somebody go talk, and people don't tap the blessing. 300 million, 400 million, 200 million. He proposed to her that day. Our brother, our brother of Serapanta, nearly proposed to her that day. He even told say this is the type of person I want. People going to come here, give testimony. And they like what person if I propose for you, if I pray for you, you come here and give. So don't blame those boys. Nothing concern. I'm only telling you to be careful and be vigilant. You are dealing with people who say they judging you because you get as you go take behavior now. They go send somebody make they come there, pick you, tell you, nobody go know. Make they close your mouth. So you go just quietly and quietly. They on your land. Don't cross anybody boundary. They are not
Hello. 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 Ebony son.
they hear you, they hear you.
Okay, good afternoon or good morning everyone. I Igbo English work out because I don't know Nigeria. The advice I'm getting one I'm in a shop here, I'm a lawyer, yeah. But I'm a mega advice. Tell any lawyer akwụkwọ na wetiara ya ihe mere ha but when you are narrating it try and put it in record, okay? And even the place one Kobe engineer pụtara now an accuse of which I saw the video and I'm video it depends for that news because when you were doing that video what you said was what I was thinking about. I thought of it. So now there is every possibility Mero did here. And I'm only in a situation whereby only Reverend Father Mother Siaga cast Mother yes no and Gawadi. It does not make sense. It just coincidentally like and secondly, when you record right now, you make sure that everything you are saying are nothing but the truth. Then you are free to go. Understand? You are free to go. I've been saying this countless times. I'm a queen, I'm a church, and that. It's just that few people actually don't. They are not producing anything. They are not gifted. They are just using your mental and your hairs to shine. Understand? Have you been in this thing Africa? So many people will believe that so-called testimony, and some of a young lady that has been trying one way or the other to succeed will start seeing themselves as a failure because I heard of a Chafanta Kume. Ebosiga Ojoga on putting unnecessary pressure to people. My dear sister, look for a lawyer. Tell your lawyer, even though say one permanent lawyer, talk to him or her, record your thoughts and keep the recording. In case anything because these people, even though I'm not, are they fear them. Of it. Don't just come to social media and talk and give comments, commenting. You see the comment, but when the problem comes, you might not see anybody that will help you. You will be the only one to help yourself. That is the important thing. You understand? For those who do that, the earlier you people reason it's your brain, the better for you guys. All these Ofotran, whatever, all these miracles, all these cannot beat it. Also, they pray for nothing than kingdom come. It will not come. It will not come. I live in a developed country. I have seen, I have come, I have conquered. I am telling you, out of experience, this set of people, you guys are just using the little you have to enrich themselves and to enslave you guys mentally. You can only take us to the dream, but you cannot force us to dream. I am a creator. Tell you my own side. If you want here, here. If you don't want here, that's it. Listen. Thank you, everyone, and God bless you.
Thank you.
Just try and be safe.
Then you understand, don't you know, advise some of our people. They come be like say we don't know what to they talk. Nobody is against anybody. I am not against you. You're not against me. The only thing we say we don't like all this lie. We don't like am. So my dear sister, you go there very careful, my dear. You go know where they go in the night. If unknown number call you, they hear me.
Yes.
If unknown number call you, say, you want business where you want make 2 of them they do. They will like make 2 of them do this business. A business of 10 million. Don't really go anywhere. No, they work out for night again. These people are tie you to close your mouth for you. You understand me?
Yes.
They can tie you to close your mouth for you. So be careful and be vigilant. The mother be like that. Mother get an eye. Mother feel like one mother. Mother we keep their shop there. Then go guy. Go guy 10,000. Go na shop. Go na tago. Or na carry in kata. They discuss with you. Go make him know what you want talk. You understand me? Abuna mother is somebody saying that make the person come there. When we go here, go and feel like this person buy big market to make a flow with him or her. You go flow and they talk. You know they say that person saying that makes you come to your shop. Come know what you go talk. You start know where they live. Because in that field they still don't come there, can't do anything. But in the night they think so make so therefore you got to be very careful and be very vigilant. Some people don't won't make anything stain them. They know as you they talk now, you get where they vex. People they sort us here, will be mugu, will be moto, will be here. Because they don't want people, that is what see as Nigeria they are, see as Africa they to get life 24 hours now work. Because we know they use our brain, that is what our politicians go come. You go see if Tinubu finish now, another person go come. I go do road, do electricity for now. I go build school for now. We go still gree because we get that some of us get low mentality because they know say that the same brain we get. We know the reason go far. They go use what others use do campaign again. They go still win because we know the reason go far. So be careful, my dear. Be careful. I know they comment anyhow for people post. Don't do video, you do video, normal video, you post. You understand? Make anybody look on they get you or allow you. People are very, very wicked and very, in fact, people get bad mind. They fit do anything. You see, all these church people, uh, just be careful. So,
Okay. Thank you so much, my son.
now they say the cocoa thing be say, for people when they talk, say, about your son, you're not a good person. About your son, help me on this light, no vex. So that 2 lights when not they on. Thank you. So for people they talk, say, you don't worry. For people they talk, about your son, why are you like this? I'm not trying to insult anybody. You understand me? I'm not trying to insult anybody. But now ask yourself this question. Do you know? Make I disconnect this Bluetooth. Now, I said,
yourself this question. Do you know how many people who don't go there and talk and claim somebody's how many people don't go there, go talk when we say later and lie when me and you know. Do you know how many people don't go there? They say, yes, you, yes, me, prophesy for me sometimes. Do you know how many people don't say they don't go there? Where this kind of thing don't happen, and me and you know. And one of those people tap from Lovette blessing. I tap. Some people will use 10,000, 20,000, 500,000, 1 million, 5 million, 10 million to tap from the grace of Lovette. Do you know? We could tell ourselves the truth. Oh, God, stop all these things what they do here. You go say, they're not a good person. They are trying to bring your brother down. We get a lot of hospital here where people they sick. Go to Main Road, go to Piwe Cornicha, go Lagos now. You go see people they sick. They beg people what we say they get one hand. People they cripple. Why they don't want to go those people? We could tell ourselves the truth now. And I work you gonna do here like this. A agent of darkness. Me what they talk. Me, they see me what they talk now. They suffer. Am I hungry? Are they beg you money? Yeah? You gonna wait when bad thing go happen to me for your mind. You gonna wait tomorrow the bad thing will come happen for me. You go say, now people, now waiting they pray for me. Now they want. For it is a life in a Nigerian movie. For you now it is a tomorrow. I'll come there to do like Kukui or get come there like Imbe side or one of my hand will come die. I'll come they come to church. When they it is a life in a Nigerian movie. As far as I'm not supporting evil. I am not there. I know they sleep with somebody's wife. I know they collect what you know belong. I plan never against anybody. Nothing will happen to me. You get the point? So be careful. You know how many people don't go there and they say, yes, it's me. You pray for me and I bought a car and at the end I lie. Which means somebody if you go thief car, come there and give thanksgiving. Our brother no go see him. Which means people who go thief car, go there. Our brother go pray. Say, well, yes, congratulations, a prophecy. Because, okay, Onyebuchi, I see Onyebuchi, by the end of next year, you will have a cause to glorify the Lord. Do you know how many Onyebuchi they get inside that church? Do you know how many Onyebuchi they inside that church? Do you know how many Onyebuchi from Ebonyi State? Onyebuchi from Ebonyi State. Do you know how many Onyebuchi they get from Ebonyi State here? They use their sense. Anambra State, we see you. We see you. And teenagers are from Anambra State. By this time next year, you become pregnant. By this time you are barren. But by this time next month, you be pregnant. Do you know how many teenagers they get from Anambra State? Use your sense now. Oh God. Now sometimes they even say, why they even born me for Africa? Why? Why they born me for Africa? You want to go to heaven? Me, I want to go to hell. Now, no need now. If somebody won't come by you now, you go say, ha. Oh my God. If somebody want to buy you now, you go say, I don't want to die in a place. Is it money? I will give you money. But you don't want to go to heaven. Where you go to sing hallelujah with a melody voice, with Jesus and our mother Mary. But you don't want to go. No could tell us the truth. You won't go heaven, Abi. But if they want to shoot you now, you don't agree. Bye. Yes. If one prophecy, if you want to talk, he will say, my name now. For he will say, Prince Emmanuel Onyebuchi from Agba Imi Boko in his local government area. Because in Agba Imi Boko, no only me the answer Prince Emmanuel Onyebuchi. Before you go see another person with the answer Prince Emmanuel Onyebuchi, you go hard. You understand me? Before to give prophecy, Chinasa Nkoda, a blessing from Enugu State. Ido. Talk and make it there normal. Not John Okafor from Imo State. I see you. You have a cause to glorify the name of the Lord. Do you know how many got John Okafor? And when Imo State, then they use your brain. Then somebody come that church, and that prophecy was not for her. The prophecy was for another person. Because yes, nothing concerns you. The man of God is innocent. Yes, nothing concerns the man of God. Then what did make you know? She say, yes, my sister is alive. This prophecy is not for you. Make we tell ourselves the truth now. If you like, you follow my page. If you like, unfollow me. You don't concern me. We have over 200 million people in Nigeria. If you unfollow me, others go follow me. But I'm going to tell you the truth. What did make the Afancha? No, she say this guy they lie. This prophecy was not for you. Do you know the kind of respect where people feel where people supposed to give our brother? Do you know the kind of respect where people feel we're supposed to give our brother? Say yes, that guy come out to that day. Our brother can't look and finish. Say no, my sister, this prophecy is not for you. Your name is null offense. This prophecy is not for you. That house is not your house. That house you are lying. You are in the presence of the Lord and you are lying. This house, you know the kind of respect where they forgive him. Huh? You know the kind of respect they forgive that our brother, but somebody come out, can't talk. Yes. You know if he assess the person, they even give you the video. You put them, moderator carry and put people they watch them. You know the kind of people be say they go to card for bad thing and make they take game money, be that kind of house. Because that's in a pressure, the amount pressure for people. Say young girl, small girl, buy a house of 300 million. Nah, for you. Nah, for you. Then they talk, they say, go and sit down. I know they mumu like you. That is why when they go adoration, no, if the monster, I go there, I go buy chair. I go buy olive oil. I stopped going that time I repair phone for P-Waker. I constantly say, didn't really use my brain. Thanks to Nnamdi Kanu and Matthias Isaac. Thanks to Nnamdi Kanu and Matthias Isaac. And I face me, I face you. But today I know they leave that kind of place again. Now, even without going anywhere, and they enjoy life. So I can use yourself. One matter is say, sit down, plan yourself well. If you do business, keep your hands clean. They do your normal business genuinely. Don't sleep with somebody's wife. Don't plan evil against anybody. Remove your hand for evil if anything concerns evil. They do your business genuinely. How your God no go take bless you? If they go for road, you see somebody who say you better pass and something they have, you give that person say take. That is how to pay your own tithe. And now walking us, down. They pay her to come and talk. And when they pay her to come and talk about you, why you know she say they pay this girl to come here and scatter your program? 4th of March, 4th of February, our papa talk say Facebook go shake, internet go shake, people go gang up against her, people go gang up against him, internet go shake, people go gang up to plan to arrange to black. Why that girl come? Why our papa no see and say this girl, see that prophet why give them that this girl, she dey lie. This house no belong to her. They go arrest her, take her to Enugu. Then the prophecy will come to pass. You know the kind of respect where our brother forget. But we tell ourselves the truth now. You never name each can go there. But your son is Igbo, and your son who pay you? Who pay me anything? I'm not spoiling anybody's name. And I go name is Shona. Madam get chance. Life no be Nigerian movie. Make I tell you. Life no be Nigerian movie. If God don't bless you, you go get money, you go get that money. When the time reach, that money go come. As far as say you do something genuinely, as far as you get what you do.
Evolution.
Keki me why your man.
But
Keki
that
me.
lady,
Na go I go never go here. Then they report this live broadcast, making a like them. Then they report them. The man I report here. More me and
so as what that lady, but I think it's way
then they report.
advice also because now this water this one naira. Okwu a ga- one get one him and like but no matter the level of the
My sister no verse. I remove. I know their voice they crack or they do one kind. No verse. You understand me? So our own annoyance there be say, why the girl come that place? You know, say this prophecy is not for her. You know, say you don't get the vision. Say people will gang up against you to blackmail you, and internet go shake. Why you not confirm that prophecy that day? Say, my sister, you are lying. This prophecy is not for you. It is for another person. This house is not your house. You did not buy this house. You are lying. Security, pick her up. They will post it. They will go and verify that the house will not be her house. Do you know the kind of respect God will give you? We could tell ourselves the truth now. I did been the people who get that house. No come out, come talk. That one don't go. I did been the people who get that house. No come out, come talk. That one don't go. Prophecy come to pass. Prophecy come to pass. Had it been the people who get that house, no come out, come talk, say, this house number house so is for sale. They never sell them. That girl no get that house. This one a prophecy come to pass. People don't. Most of those people don't tap with millions of naira. How they go take do them now? Those people don't tap. I tap from your blessing of earth. Why you not see them? You dream where you see where they releasing them the can. I brand them the can go to prison. Till today they never releasing them the can. Eyes, my dear. When they open the house for people they talk say about insurance because say Ebuko be in Imo State. I did in Ebonyi State person now for the supporter. Matthias says that why they support him from Ebonyi State. Nnamdi Kanu why love die him from Ebonyi State. Huh? Nnamdi Kanu him from Ebonyi State, him from Abia State. Matthias says that him from Ebonyi State, Enugu State. Abi? When they tell themselves the truth, I beg. Oh? When they tell themselves the truth. And I worry, maybe sure now. And the system of our people, you go there for Neme Road, by the roadside, they sell phone charger, phone pack. Sun go knock you. Your clothes go change color finish. Sun go they knock you. You go carry, you go buy sticker, buy water, buy apron, buy this one. Back, go stand for sun. Sun go they knock you. Your clothes go change finish. You understand me? You go in the morning, go in the afternoon. Every Sunday, you go stay there. 100 days fasting and prayer. You go leave your market for 3 months and some weeks. Some people go there here, go live waiting for back here. One woman don't meet me, tell me about your son, I beg. I want you to buy this TV. Say, he want to fasting and prayer for Lagos. I said, now because you they go pray and fasting for Lagos, what make you want to stay at TV? He say yes, so you don't get money. Imagine the mentality. You they sell your TV here to go prayer for Lagos. TV when you also manage buy here. Then when you finish the prayer, you go buy anointing oil, buy everything. Come back here, come start for square one, begin to save money to buy another TV. You understand me? To buy another TV, that person no be mumu where him be. You want to see that person no be mumu. You go say your TV here to go pray and fasting for Lagos. Are you not a mumu man? Are you not a mumu woman? Now what make me stop going to church? 2018, when I stopped going to church. Pata. You understand me? So wake up, my dear. If our brother they see road, he's supposed to know say yes. If our brother they see road, he's supposed to know say that girl they lie. You get the point? They see road. He's supposed to know say our sister Lovette, not be she get that prophecy. Another person get that prophecy. But she came out, give the moderators. And let me tell you, not if you come church, for some of you who don't understand, some people think say that guy just come church on Sunday. they talk, they post up. Now lie. Before you go give prophecy, you go first don't meet that the moderator say the prophecy where our papa talk. You understand me? The prophets come to pass. They will not tell you which date. You will not talk the date. They will not trace it. Cut that part where our papa talk say, your name is Loved. I see you Loved. They will cut the out, keep. That on Sunday, once you come out, and you, papa talk. Say you won't give prophecy, say before you give testimony, you go don't meet the moderator, say our papa prophesies some things about me, and the thing come out. They will not ask which our papa talk that thing. You go come talk the day, they will go trace the prophecy for system, cut that your own side out, come out. That on Sunday, when they come out, they will give you mic. When you begin to talk, they go post and make them see. I mean, things say if you go that place on Sunday, now that day they go find out. It is possible. You go first, don't go there. Let them see say the prophecy come on Sunday. What can they they use my brain. The moderator, you go first go there. They go find that video, cut and keep. That on Sunday when you come out, they will give you mic. As they talk, they play up. Can we see the evidence? The kids walk back. The person just go church on Sunday, you go just meet them. And maybe that okay, what you prophesied last month, they will give you mic. How the moderators go take search, maybe the prophecy of 3 months ago or 4 months ago, how they go take do and find them immediately. You know they're possible. You go don't go either Saturday or Friday. Don't for you, they go put them there. Once you come out, they don't program, they don't already know how many people will give give a testimony on Sunday. If you come out your own, they go say this, they go play up, they don't already know you. They bring it out. Why they don't know say a lie whether they lie? Why they don't know? 300 million house, now chicken change. You go assess the girl first. Assess the girl, not the one before you go grip post that thing for your big TV, television. You understand? But he come out, you don't say anything. You don't say anything. Even me when they are son, they see more than him. I feel prophesize for you now. Some of you now barriga here now, one after the other. You understand? Now barriga here, one after the other. Mbagena, Ozoma praise. Now bagiana. Oh yeah, no, Charafancha, what are you off? Oh God, somebody send her. Somebody send her to come. Why didn't you see it? When that girl come there, when that girl come to that church, you understand? When that girl come to that church, why you no see him? Say this is not lie, yo. This is not lie, yo. This is not be you. You are not loved. This prophecy is not for you. So that vision we go to show me 2 months ago. Say people go come here to blackmail me. So they will arrest the girl, take the girl to Enugu, verify the house. The house is not her own. Sure. People will come to hail you. Real man of God. Oh my God, real man of God. But this one, I don't bring 300 million house come. You post and maybe, oh my God. Japak no day here. Go bring them up, but you know they here. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening. Of Charafanta no see anything no ventures. You don't see anything. You know they see anything. If it let me make I tell you, if it is that these people get power, some of us now they suppose don't send us all wish. If it is that these people get power, get this thing with the kind of if they suppose don't do prayer secretly, Ijele go die or Ijele go get swelling stomach. If it is that these people they see, By now, they're not supposed to arrest Ijele, put her for prison. They're supposed to do prayer. They play do tombom. Ijele will get one leg, or Ijele will become blind. Even me, because some of them know say me and they talk against. By now, even Matthias says that now for don't get us then crying. By now, they're supposed to do prayer. Command the Holy Ghost, command some spirit, command some evil spirit. You go fall for Matthias says that you go blind. But you know they're possible now. Not possible. Even by now, Matthias says that for them blind. Because nobody lead them. A lot of people will be saying Matthias says that they give them what. All of them for them go up, do prayer. That prayer go knock Matthias says that back. He go buy Matthias says that, buy his wife, buy his children. But for yeah, you know they work. The only police they go use they come. Not that they go arrest them with the police. Because police get power more than them. All this in Africa. They will give Matthias they do. Ma use this remote. Anyone want to be packaged, want to be arranged, stand they do. Anyone want to be arranged. How are you? My name is Stephen. They go command the mic. Say they do. How are you doing? I'm fine, sir. What is your name? My name is John Okafor. Where you come from? I'm from anywhere. They command mic. You come, they talk them. You come out mic. Say you come out the mic. You go bring the mic back. Some of you know now. If you want to talk, so why you they do mic like this? They remove mic. You give a mic, make him talk. You understand me? You go give a mic. Okay. You and your husband is not together again, Abi. You come. What I want you come out mic. You come. All for you. But anyone will be within a package, well organized. They will give a mic. Our brother go hold mic. Which day you come here? Last this. I will be coming here before. Yes, but my friend direct me. Or they don't go do it like this. But anyone be saying I'm brede or job or work, will be saying make it no cash, make it no blast. Say yes, they follow up. You go use one mic. How are you? I see you. You're not more with your husband again. I'm not lying. Because and let me tell you, as a man of God, for that big church, you get some things they go to talk. You have to follow up. It don't happen to me before when I did village. That place they plenty. I know what catch the man. I say yes. I lie. I know what catch them. Come they talk rubbish. Say my father married 4 wives. Which 4 wives? My papa will be saying that 2 ain't married, saying 4 wives. My papa married 4 wives. Say the last wife. Now they do me what they do me. Now my mother be the last wife. My papa married 2 wives, and my mother now be the last wife. So now my mother they do me what they do me. I can't do her like this. Yes, because I know make him fuck up. Make you know black. Oh God, I don't understand things. You don't want to get one guy who I go bring here. I go bring another person when they come from France. Maybe now somebody will don't see this thing. Make an answer call first. Hello? 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 Maybe now they remember them they coming from France. You understand me? So they will say your papa married 4 wives. And the last wife, now they do you something. Me, my papa married 2. My mother and the last wife. So which means even if there are 2 wives, which means that my mama they do me something. Make you wise up. Oh, nobody is against your brother. Nobody is. People they talk say, why they say, would they against our brother will be Igbo person? What would they do against? You don't see Yoruba people. Yoruba people know they do arrange as our own they do. Yoruba people know they do this arrange. What our own they do, okay? Person will come out. What you make your breast fall? Imagine a man of God would they tell his member what you make your breast? Yes, inside the church. They will tell you what you make your breast fall. I get the video. Why your breast fall? Inside church? Now for you, even if you do mumu self, why your breast fall? You know it's not about shaming be that. Now about shaming. That girl where they not shame go they catch him. What you make your breast fall? And you don't get sense. If your sister be that, you go there happy. If your wife be that, you go there happy. You know, why your breast fall. You never see the video I post up on my page. Why your breast fall. Inside man of God, inside church, man of God, our brother of Serafanta, they tell one guy, say, what to make your breast fall? You don't marry, no. You don't born, no. What to make your breast fall? You don't know, you know it's about shaming. First when come here church, spend money, come here church. For you to preach to them, you don't talk about breast fall, breast no fall. How you take no to the breast fall? Huh? How you take no? But you son, because you know be at the same place. If you like, be my brother, I will expose you. You get one time why I post about they say, I see him now. This guy, stop all this defaming of Ebukobi. We all Igbo. They see him. But that girl asked me why your breast fall. No be Igbo, abi. Get about a chaga, I will leave you. I don't sabi block person. Make her they leave you. So that maybe na me go make your brain change. That girl when they talk say why your breast fall, Abroni Igbo. Some of you know Akumero, the Ebuara Nakumero. I want to open come meet in Lagos now from a place here from my boy state. Here for this boy, here for God meet here. When we buying I got just 30 drop. I can't cross that by here shop even now by here. Or for my boy son or Russia. I don't need to form. Meet us half and fine. Hey, yeah, the hustle well. Akume Road. You know some people they like to stay charge well and the earpiece. The we by the way she did there. You go see sticker of Terafancha sticker. The sticker food the wheelbarrow up and down. Sticker food the wheelbarrow up and down. Even the phone now of Serafanta there in front of the phone. So as they ask me, the guy who asked me, I give her my phone number. I think give me the phone because me I they like collect phone, press the number. I feel they call and make mistake, but I go like to collect your phone, you know, press the number. As I collect the phone, go see say na. My dad. Close when we how much I go check. See we by the way there. But if they are dead dinner, why you pray and never make you get money? Me when they go church, you know, sister I get a better pass you. You see me now, they take picture with me. But me, I know they go church. So why you are alive no better? Also forget that thing. The love God gave for this man there. I know I even love and pass my mother. So I know they give you love again. No wonder they like this. It gets some people say their brain no they work. If they under sun, on sun they go pack the whole money where you save. Put for envelope. On Monday go start afresh. You go buy water, buy this spread, you go see there. Jepak never go, they go give testimony. And I just see where Jepak need that like they pray for him. I never see where Jepak, because if Jepak don't go there, give testimony. I for don't see the video now go eat and give a photo. The only picture when they like you understand? So nobody is against anybody. But we are against all the even in Namdekano, our mentor Namdekano, we don't travel, see road. Say nothing like a church here. Say all church na criminals. Now Namdekano talk and I have the video. The brave. Like this. In that one. That is why they see their program. Small children now go for hospital. People who go arrange one place now. You understand me? What can I go there? So use your sense. Not be the other day where Fulani people go for Enugu State, go buy our people. After they rape our sisters, they will carry stick to them. buy them and nothing happen. Some of them go church, then they come back. Use your sense, God. Use your sense. Even my wife here, there's a day when my wife finish. Ask my wife here. They not born my wife well. Make her suffer finish. So food. Then they go see in Jesus' name. That they go see her mama and your papa. My wife they here now. My wife they here. They not born and well, oh. Anything what she want that they provide for her, she they eat well. On a rika nori. Man do the anyhow. Not Jesus no give me the money. Now my heart sweat. I go they make video, they make video, they make video. I am not stopping this on the smart press, but I'm trying to tell people get sense to hear. Just as your neck day like we see as your neck day. Maybe you don't borrow data from MTN or it's a lot Airtel. They come they comment here. Okay, thank you very much. Maybe in the evening, me and Jepak go enter live. We could talk about Governor Kwash. Go see my video. I noticed not to do further problem. I've deleted all my posts. Now me tell you, our backlink people don't betray anybody. You know, see when they leak my voice note. You know, see when they leak my voice note. Then they talk, then they give me boza. Jepak no come out and defend me. Jepak no even come out to defend me. No other people self they defend me. But when Jepak get problem with they defend Jepak. We know Sabi betray people where I come from. If you are my friend, you are my friend. And there will be the last man on earth as you see me now tomorrow. You're going to see me with of Charafancha. My baby preventing, go they kneel down, they do like this. And they're mad. I don't say my respect with that. No. What makes you a man is if you talk this thing, stand with that way you talk. That's what makes you a man. So where I come from, I still maintain you know they betray people. Our yes now yes, our no be no. If I stand for you as a brother, as a friend, I will stand for you as a brother and a friend. Open a Jepak in Ebon State, they go say, hey, now because say Jepak in Ebon State person. We could tell ourselves truth. All these men of God in Nigeria, they don't see anything. They don't see road. Let me tell you. One nearly won't chop my wife when I do on a chat. One nearly won't chop my wife. You know, see my wife don't tear eyes. One nearly chop my wife. Because my wife nyash they shake. Because my wife gets soft nyash. But they shake. Because he can't look back. He nearly chop my wife. My wife can't tell me, I say, hey, so you go stop to go church now. This is why they want you. That time I never marry her. If they tell you, they put out war. Okay, make I tell you. You get what in our brother talk, I still get the video. He talk say, nobody feel come out say he never chop, he never sleep with woman, or he never sleep with man. If you feel talk him now, your children, your hidden children will come out, your girlfriends will come out. How he manage you know? How he manage you know? Say, only me be person will be say, I never sleep with woman, I never sleep with a man. I don't get children outside. No good tell ourselves the truth. We don't have anything. We move regardless. We can go chop our bed. Thank you and remain blessed.